Hold on, hold on. Hear me out. I know you just clicked on the video, but hear me out. Everything is online these days. You know, when persons go in front of the camera, they have to pretty up, nice up for it, to be welcoming. But at the same time, an aspect of it would be fake. But what if you were subscribed to a channel? Hear me out, hear me out. What if you were subscribed to a channel where the individual, the owner of the channel, was real, thus attracting persons of similar characters all in one place, and we could connect online on the internet in a real way through video. To better make my point, and I really think it's something that you will find interesting, fascinating, useful, or might come in handy. No, trust me. I'm just saying, what if we could take realness and put it on the internet just like how it is in reality? Like you see the person for what they are on the internet. Like I'm really need one haircut right now. Let's get into the video. Morning, blessed love, welcome. So first thing, I know I need a haircut. I need a face cut, terribly need one. So before I even go any further, I'm going to give you the opportunity to tell me how to, trim my hair. And when I get on the next video, that is what will happen. So welcome, first time over here. My name Akeen Lawrence. Yeah, enough with the blabbing. So I had the most refreshing voice note this morning, and it led me to think that I should really stay committed to this channel and putting a whole lot of effort into it.
Be clear, Mr. Sir. Don't waste my time.
That voice note, I was speaking to the most beautiful lady in the whole world. And her voice, as a matter of fact, let me have you guys listen to the voice note.
Great rising. So yeah, some things are real. The love I get from my daughter, the excitement, the joy, that's real. The people who are near and dear to me, my parents, my loved ones, the vibrations, the energy we share, that's real. The high vibrations and energy we share, that's real. But you see what media, and I won't just say social media, but I'll say all forms of media, including the print one, it's really not. It's not real. It's all make-believe bad. And now that I know, I still love your video. The quality is really, really, really good. And just the angles, like what you see. And that's why I love that you call yourself a cinematographer, because beauty is and intrigue is there because you see things that others may not notice, and you then visualize them for us through the work that you do. So that's a real blessing and talent and gift that you have to give. And I hope that you will continually be blessed with that gift, and be able to uplift your community.
So yes, nothing on the internet is real. It is actually true. And being not everything, but people pretend and all sort of stuff. Except for over here, this is how I actually really behave in a life. This is really me. And listening that voice note, I find one kind of appreciation for myself, like not trying to because I have a channel with 14,000 subscribers. If this is your first time here, so as a matter of fact, you guys can send me things to post over there. So over there we just post to get the views. Over here I want to make sure I stay real and connect with some real people, because being alone feels like crap. And I can tell you, although I've never pretended to be anyone else, being alone feels like crap. And I think it's the same when you pretend to be someone else or you show something that is not real. It's the same thing, because myself being an introvert and keeping to yourself is the same thing as no one knowing you, which would be the same thing if you pretend to be someone you're not, which has to feel lonely. People say them used to it and them like it, but even me, I'm an introvert itself, sometimes want company. So all in all, what I'm saying in this video is it's nice to be alive and nice to talk to people and nice to be honest and do all of the things that we really like and share them. I'm want to maintain that over here, so because yeah, and I realize you guys interact with me more and more through WhatsApp than you do on the channel. Are you guys afraid to express yourself, express your opinions? Please know, over here, so sorry. So, just to have you guys know, over on this channel, I want it to be a place where, everybody can express their opinion without nobody try to be mean or whatever. If that does happen, if the channel, if this one over here grows to the point where, one or two annoying people start come around, I'll make you guys moderators. So, I guess that will make you able to remove some negative comments. Like people will obviously be rude. But just want to know, so don't be afraid to comment. Someone reach out to me and say, oh, at the first, them a comment on a video and them a watch for years. But comment so we can have the interaction. Don't be shy. And yeah, keep it real, 100 and genuine. So this morning, apart from telling you how wonderful my morning has started because of all of that. Oh, I'm in Jamaica, right? And I was watching this guy that was trending in America called Mr. Beast. And I'm looking at what he was doing, this video where he was playing a Minecraft game, and anyone who builds a house in that game, he buys them a real house, and all of that he was able to generate all of that from YouTube. Now I think making music, like things that trend in Jamaica, like it takes a whole lot more effort than what he's doing, but at the same time it still attracts a bigger crowd. It is real, it is genuine. And I said to myself, probably that is why it attracts so many people, because here in Jamaica the dancehall artists, them I be unreal things they sing. Like none of them sing no really real or genuine. None of them. I mean, the lyrical content is entertaining, and that is all it is, entertaining. But the real aspect of it, like nothing in it most of the time, not really real, you get me? And when you look on Mr. Beast, he's having fun, like genuine, real fun. And that is so lacking today. And is a part of the reason why I say, oh, I appreciate this. Like just maintain myself, don't try and make up nothing, don't try force to get views. The only thing though, although I just start out over here, but I like more interaction. Like seriously, I like more interaction. And don't be afraid to hit me up on WhatsApp. You can send me an email, we exchange numbers and connect, because that's how I'm about. Getting to know people over here, so, and building that community where things stay real. Even when it's online, this is one of the things I'm more to stay real. So yeah. Negril? Can I go Negril? Yeah, so I get ready and go Negril. Do some acting. So a quick little stop at our gas station. I don't know if you're not familiar with the gas stations in Jamaica. So, I did say we were going to Negril to do a bit of acting, but that might change.
Oh, sometimes other than work, you have some business to take care of. So, there's some business that I have to take care of.
We're not sure if we might reach Negril. We want to see what happens. But, as him say, we are dealing with some business. He might deal with some business. Me I tag along and bring it with me.
Look how you would ever get shot.
That's a really cool looking car. I think we should get some video, or I don't know, probably can't use it as stock footage, but it's a really good looking car, so let's look at it.
about it.
No, prevention better than cure, Richie.
Preventing what? Prevent from, you can prevent from
So
from
from the
you
bank
can't
to
prevent that.
a female clothes store, I understand.
Alright, give me some
That
internet, let me check out what one. You want to send, you want to transfer
So,
something?
so we have
one. Well, we are doing the female clothes store.
Don't.
We are buy lingerie.
We have access to something.
I joke, man. We just stop forget.
Downstairs, man.
I want to have the password, that's all. I want to have it.
No.
You might try to get internet. Can I phone battery dead so you can't do no business? You might
I just
try.
want to transfer some money.
Yeah, I know. I'm still on a trip.
Do we?
No, to the card, so I can pay for this.
Me sitting on, so look for Shanda.
I worry about me. You know, the thing I worry about is just living every day. That's
Yo, you can't get them pretty girl and I want to move Richie. Like we do movies.
No, they don't.
Pouring one.
Don't for that good thing.
Chantal, you can't get one man for act with
One
you.
meal fun.
You can't get one man for act.
You don't reach fast, you know, girl.
Would I pay you? We're paying you.
You know.
And we are
Yeah,
pay good
fast,
money.
you know.
You can't get one man, you can't get one cute little brown man where you like. My girl
What we do exactly?
for act as your boyfriend.
Send her to college and
You send you go to college and sit now when you get through you left him.
Yeah, you left
All them kind of things there.
Then I hate you, although I can't. Then I hate you, girl.
yeah, because
Oh, and you could have played her sister same way.
sell ice cream to send her to college.
Yeah, him start sell ice cream to
And
send
then,
her to
and then when
college.
you're amongst a friend, you have to go and they have to say, so who is that guy? I don't know him.
Oh, might seem like me wasting my
You want
time.
the password?
We are chill, so we can just
You just
listen in
waiting
on the
here.
conversation.
Yeah, what's right?
Z7
Chantal, you can act too, you know, so it would have worked for you.
EV
PV
JE
JE
33.
33. Possible.
Richie, I don't like the way you're thinking.
Alright, I'm
Of course.
bored now. Go time.
Yeah, but the woman will buy.
Boy! You know, say bye.
Bye.
Bye, pretty girl.
Bye.
Watching dimple them too. Get the man. Yes, so I that Jamaican for it's a wrap. That's a wrap. That's the day. Didn't get to go to Negril because of some financial difficulties and some heap of problem all over the place. But tomorrow is another day. So hopefully you guys get a little more of my personality and you can share with me yours in the comments. So you know we can start we can build a community of realness. So tomorrow is another day. Definitely subscribe if you made it this far. Leave a like on the video. Share it on your social media platform because that is how we are going to grow. I don't know. Share it with a close friend. Someone who you have similarities with. You know. And help us grow. Help us to connect. Help us to, you know, build an environment that has real positivity. You know. So until then, big up on yourself. Thank you for tuning and click more. My God.